I'm going to let you in on something that was a total game changer when it comes to my diet, specifically protein, and that is weighing my food. And that's not I don't weigh everything I eat or measure everything I eat, but I do weigh my protein, whether it's chicken, fish, or meat, because before I was using a scale, I was actually underestimating what I was eating. So using a scale actually allowed me to eat more food, which is good. It amped up my protein and made my counts a lot more accurate. So what I've got on the scale here is 4 ounces of protein. So this is typically the amount of meat I will eat in my salads or with my dinner with vegetables. So again, before I would have probably only chosen half of this and thought I was eating 3 or 4 ounces of protein. But really, I can eat all of this chicken plus a salad and other vegetables and complete my meal and have high protein, low fat, and the right amount of calories. So get a scale. I bought this one at Target for $17 a couple years ago. You can get these on Amazon for $13 or $14. They're worth every single penny. The other tip that I have for you is make sure your scale is accessible. I keep my scale right here in this cabinet that's right above my prep area. And that's so important because if it's not accessible, you're not going to use it. So when you buy your scale, find a home for it right near where you prep, and you'll be on track for your protein.